I'm sharing my screen. I hope everyone can see the screen. Okay. So the last session I was discussing about HTML introduction, right? And there I have discussed what is hypertext, what is markup, what is the purpose of HTML, and then what is a tag and the tag types, and then finally I have explained, the programming environment. So let me quick walkthrough on, what the topics I discussed yesterday. So what is mean by hypertext? What do you understood mean by hypertext?
Hypertext are the links.
Link.
They read a
Hypertext
code
are
into the page.
given
So
not a plain text, it is a link.
Yes,
It is
hypertext is
used to
nothing but
link
a
from
link.
one page to another.
Right, you're absolutely correct. Right. And then what is mean by tag in HTML?
Is
They
it
are
Tag
like
is a keyword.
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 Yeah, so a tag is a keyword which we use for a specific purpose only, right? And anyhow, throughout the HTML, we will be learning guys only the tags, okay? And we have a two types of tags, right? Paid and unpaid. Paid in the sense you should open and close. Unpaid in the sense you have to just open it, no need to close it, right? And also, guys, I explained the programming environment. So, what are the two different environments that a developer can write the code?
Notepad and IDE.
ID.
Right. No. I should say editor and IDEs.
editor
Right.
and
So
developers.
I was asking you to download a Visual Studio Code. I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you guys are downloaded.
sir.
Right. So I hope you guys are, downloaded. Okay. Yeah, guys, today, we'll see the programming part, but before that, let me explain you the structure of a HTML program. Okay. So this is the first topic today. So the first topic today, guys, HTML program structure environment. Okay. HTML structure. I was talking about the code structure. Okay. So how structure will be there, that I'll discuss from scratch. Okay. So this structure is almost similar to, guys, a human body. Okay. Maybe I can take a quick image. So to do not miss the content, yeah, maybe I'll take this image quickly so that, you never get a chance to forget this. So if you see this, if you think this is a human, right? So a human has, the two main parts, correct? One is head, right? One is a head portion. No. So how a human is divided into two parts. So guys, intentionally I did it. So you'll come to know why. Okay. So a human has, the two portions, right? Head and body. Head and, the body. And this is if you think in a human, right? If you think this is in a human. So human has, every human has, two important parts, right? So head and body. So this is just for a layman analysis. Okay. So that, you can understand the exact what is HTML programming structure. Okay. So as I explained yesterday, your entire HTML code will be in the form of tags. Okay, your entire HTML code will be, in the form of tags. So the first and foremost tag is HTML, guys. Okay, so HTML has to be open and HTML has to close. This is I should say parent tag, or you should say root tag of entire HTML code. Guys, you can also observe the coloring, that whatever the color I'll use it. Okay, so that you'll never forget this concept. So entire your HTML code has one root tag called HTML. Okay, so your HTML source code starts with this tag and close with this tag, and in between only you have to write rest of the things. Okay, this is the first tag that I want to introduce. And how your human is divided into two portions, right? Similarly, guys, your complete HTML tag is divided into two child tags. Two child tags. One is head, one is head, one is head, and the second one is body, guys. Body. Okay. So the first one is head tag, and the second is, the body tag. I'll discuss you when to use head and body now. Okay. I'll discuss both. First, guys, we'll come up with, head tag, guys. Now, what are the three tags I have shown you so far? HTML, head, body. HTML, head, body. All are paid or unpaid.
Paid,
Paid.
sir.
Paid, sir.
All are paid. So I was opening them and properly closing them, correct? So we should say they're all paid tags, guys. Let's talk about something, head tag. Guys, if you think something with your head, no one can see, right? But if you do any action in your body, like head or legs, if you do anything, I mean legs or hand, if you do any action, everyone can see it. Okay. So stay on the same concept. Now, if you open a Sachin Tendulkar homepage, okay, if you open a Sachin Tendulkar homepage, like Wikipedia page, this page, guys, if you see it, so this page, guys, if you see on the top, can you see something Sachin Tendulkar here? Guys, on top, completely top, are able to see Sachin Tendulkar hyphen Wikipedia?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
actually we have to call it as a title. That is actually we have to call it as a title. And the second thing is when this entire page is loading, guys, whenever entire this page is loading, part of CSS code also, guys, is loaded. Part of CSS, nothing but cascading style sheet. So, guys, the purpose of the cascading style sheet is the cascading style sheet is you can apply the styles, guys. You can apply the styles. That's our next chapter. You need not to worry. What I want to explain. Point number 1. On top, you can see title. Point number 2. Whenever you're opening any page in Wikipedia or any website, whenever you open that page, a portion of CSS code also gets loaded. A portion of CSS code is also loaded. Now, in this page, if you see, create your account button is there now. So this background is blue and the text color is white, right? This is, done by the CSS code, guys. Okay, I think this is also clear, everyone. Point number 1 is whenever this page is loaded, this title gets visible to you, and also the portion, some part of CSS code also loaded. Not only CSS, guys, not only CSS. Let me click on enter here without typing this username, password, confirm password, without typing all. Hit it, guys. You can see one error message. The error message saying something, please enter the field. So that's done by JavaScript, guys. I'll repeat. Whenever you open this Wikipedia page, okay, right? 3 things, guys, you need to notice. One is the title. I think your name is Bhavana. Can you mute, please, yourself? PHAVS. Yeah, thanks, ma. Okay, so guys, what I was saying, whenever this page is loaded, title gets loaded, and the part of CSS, some portion of CSS code is loaded, and some portion of JavaScript code is loaded. But are you able to see this? What code exactly loaded of CSS? What code is exactly loaded for JavaScript? Guys, are able to see it here?
No, sir.
No, you are not able to see the code, right? That's actually I'm talking about a header tag. Header tag, whatever you write, guys, in header tag, whatever you write, that won't visible on this document, guys. That won't visible. That won't visible. Like I just now explained, whatever CSS executed, whatever JavaScript code is being executed and backgrounded, you cannot see this. That kind of, guys, logics you have to write, in head portion. So head portion is the main purpose is you can prepare title for the page, guys. You can prepare title for the page. And to do this, you have to use a tag called something, title tag. Yeah, for every purpose, there is a intended of, using the tag, guys. So here we'll be using a tag called title. Yeah, this tag properly open and properly close. I think the first purpose of head tag is clear, everyone. This is used to prepare the titles. The header tag. Okay. And let me get into the second purpose. So this is used to prepare CSS code for the current page, guys. For the current page. And guys, here we'll be using a tag called something, style tag. And right. One more tag is also there, the link tag also, guys. Yeah, you need not to worry about now. From second one onwards, because that we will be discussing in the second chapter. This is our second chapter, okay? So, but what I want to highlight, the header tag use it for writing some CSS code, and header tag use it for writing, writing some JavaScript code also. So to write the JavaScript code, guys, we'll be using some other tag, something, the tag name is script tag, guys. So what I want to highlight, in head tag, whatever you write, that you cannot see on this page, guys. The code, whatever you write, that will load at background. That will load at background. The CSS code, JavaScript code will load at background. That output only we can see it. Okay. So that's all about, your head part. And one more very important tag is there that I think I'll discuss maybe in a future concept, not now. This used to prepare meta information for the page, guys. So here we'll be using a tag called something, meta. Guys, please make a note on this 5 tags. Make a note, please. Inside head, you're responsible to write this 5 tags, guys. Sir, are we learning this all the tags today? No. This is in your second chapter. This is in your third chapter. And this will be, I'll explain you in Bootstrap. I'll be discussing only this title tag as part of the today's session. Okay. So this will be discussing, in future concept. But this everything will be, guys, you have to write inside the head portion only. Maybe I can quickly show you one interesting thing here. Guys, this is a login page, right? This is a login page. And as I explained, this is written by HTML. I explained it yesterday. Sir, this page is developed by HTML. Sir, can I see the code? Yes. Guys, you can
Yes,
see
sir.
the code. No. I was talking about that one only. You can see the code. Okay, you can see the code of HTML, what the code they written it. So what you need to do is just right click, right. Just right click. You have your option view page source. As soon as you click on it, guys, okay, you will be landing into your source page. I'll repeat, whatever the page you open, guys. I opened Sachin Tendulkar Wikipedia page, right? I explained yesterday this page designed by HTML. Sir, I want to see the code. Yes, you can see it. Right click. Okay, you can right click and go to the view page source. Yeah, you can see the source code, guys, that whatever the code they written it. And let me bubble up few things to you. Guys, what is the first tag that you need to open? I just explained.
HTML.
HTML.
HTML. And HTML divided into how many? HTML divided into how many parts?
2 parts. Head.
2
body.
parts. What are they? Line number 3. What is the tag? Line number 3.
Head.
Head open. Line number 28. What's happening? Line number 28.
Closing.
What's happening?
The tag is
Closing the
closing.
head.
Line number 29. What's happening? Line number 29.
Body
Open
tag
the-
is opening.
Body tag opening, right? And line number 595. What's happening?
Body
tag is
Tag
closing.
closing.
Tag closing.
596. You can see HTML tag is opening,
HTML.
right? Guys, I think
Closing.
someone, Rohit, I'm getting some noise from your background. Not maybe from you, maybe others. I think your friends are, doing chit chat. So please double check, guys. Okay. If there is no noise, you can happily unmute because the session is going to be recorded, right? Okay. Yeah. Right. So, okay. So I think you understood, right? And also I want to highlight few more things. Yeah. As per the structure I was explaining now, edit tag, you will be writing only the 5 tags. That's it. The entire HTML CSS journey. Okay. In header tag, you will be writing only these 5 tags. Let's go one by one here. We'll validate one by one. Line number 4. What is the tag? Guys, line number 4. Meta. And line number 12 to 19. What is the tags?
Meta tag.
All metas. All metas, right? Okay, so it means there is some meta information is going to be provided. Hey, you need not to worry today itself. What is meta information? Okay, you need not to worry about it. And also, if you see, guys, if you want to write JavaScript code, you can use script tag, right? So if you go back and are able to see line number 6 and line number 8, right? The script tag gets using. And also the last one I want to show you, if you want to write some CSS code, either you can use style tag and link tag. Now you can able to see, guys, line number 20 to 26, all are
link
link tags,
Link tags.
right? Guys, not only this website, you can open any website case, we can take this reference for our web institute website portal. So if you want to see what is the source code they written, and just to map now whatever we are learning, everything in sync or not, just you can right click. Okay, you can right click, guys. You can just right click on view page source. Okay, you will be seeing whatever the tags just now explaining. Okay, you can see the source page of source code of any one of the web page. You can open Amazon, LinkedIn, whatever it you can open, you can see the source code because HTML is open source, guys. HTML is open source. Everyone can see the source code of a web page. Okay. So I think everyone clear on the header tag purpose. Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it possible to change every web page code in internet? Hey, no man, Harish. You cannot change it. Okay. You have just read only. Only read only. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's get into the body tag guys now. Okay. Let's get into the body tags. As I explained just now, head is whatever you write in head, it is invisible. But whatever you write in body, that's visible. That's visible. Let me quickly show you one example. Now, guys, you are able to see this such an image, right? You can able to see such an image. Sir, what is the tag they created for this? Sir, I want to
Image
see the
tag.
code.
Next
Yeah.
one.
Right. Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. And also, yeah, you can see some text, right? This is a paragraph text case. This is one paragraph. And in the paragraph, you can see there's a bold, right? You can see this is a bold. And on the top, you can see something italic. Guys, are you following that what I was discussing?
Yes, sir.
This is a paragraph, and in this paragraph, you have a bold, and on top of paragraph, you have something underlined, right? So, guys, if you want to represent this text, like it can be a text, it can be a image, it can be an audio, okay, and it can be a table, right? Yesterday, I think I have shown you a table, right? A table. And not only it can be a table, guys, it could be a form. If you open login, yeah, you can able to see a form, right? Yeah, this is, guys, if you want to design everything, then you have to do inside body only. Okay. So, guys, body is, use it to prepare. Sorry, maybe I can write this one. Prepare data which you want to make visible on document. So, guys, if you see the term, I was using data. Okay, so this data can be a text. I just now explained, and this data can be a link, and a data can be a video. A data can be a audio. A data can be an image. A data can be a table. A data can be a form. Okay, it could be anything, guys. So if you want to prepare some data and which you want to visible on the document, then guys you have to write inside the body portion, inside the body portion. So this is something a complete picture of guys your HTML programming structure. So I'll repeat one more time. Your complete source code starts with a tag called HTML. Okay, and HTML properly closed and properly closed, open and close. I have explained in Wikipedia as a scenario. And your HTML divided into two main portion, head and body portions. Okay, head section is different and body section is different. His head is mainly visible, mainly use it to prepare titles, CSS code, JavaScript code, and meta. That's it. You can remember only these 4 points, guys. Head tag use it for preparing title, CSS code, JavaScript code, and meta information. And body tag use it to prepare data which you want to visible on the document. So I think this is clear, everyone. And also, I want to show you one more line. Guys, are able to see the line number 1? Hey, this is a Wikipedia Sachin Tendulkar page source code, guys. Are able to see the line number 1?
Yes,
Which
sir.
are not type
Yes,
HTML.
Right. So, guys, if you already started Java, what is the version of Java that you are using?
8.
Eight.
Java 8.
Okay. Right. I believe, guys, you're using 8 or 17, right? 17 or 21 because they are testable releases. Similarly, whenever you write your HTML code, you should mention in which HTML version you are writing the code. And guys, I was representing this in blue color. Yeah, in blue color. So that is will be the first line. That will be the first line, guys. So this first line tells that, guys, this first line tells that in which version you are writing your HTML code. The current version of HTML is 5. The current version of HTML is 5. Okay. If you are telling to the browser, hey browser, I'm a developer and I'm writing the code in HTML 5th version, then you should mention this line. Sir, let's assume I was writing the code in HTML 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. How should I mention it? Yes. Guys, if you want to declare them, then you should mention this like HTML doc type for the 4th version, guys. Like that, you can search it. You can search it. Okay, you can search it and you will get one doc type, guys. Yeah, you will get one doc type. Yeah, this is a doc type, guys. I was discussing about this one. This entire line, guys, you have to copy. This entire line you have to copy and you have to put it into the first line, guys, the blue color one. I'll repeat. HTML has the latest version is 5. Okay, and you may also write the code in older version, but since 7, 8 years, I was saying no one using the older version. Always you have to use the 5th version. So to make sure that you are using a 5th version, then you should declare this first line as doc type HTML, guys. That's a mandatory. It's not optional. Okay, it's not optional. I hope everyone clear the HTML structure, guys. Everyone,
Yes,
can I
sir.
get a thumbs up, please?
Yes, sir.
Instead of acknowledgement. Guys, can I get some thumbs up symbols? Will be easy for me. Okay, 21, 22 people. That's it. Out of 180, 35, 36. Okay, 41. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, I could see, good response from everyone. Okay, fine, guys. I think, yeah, we are good to, proceed with the other programming. And also, I want to ask you one more question. If you're writing HTML code, what is the file extension, guys, that you're keeping?
.html.
.html.
HTML.
Right? No, I'm talking about a C program. If you write a C program, what is the file extension that you are giving?
.c.
.c.
.c, right? Similarly, guys, if it is a HTML code, you can save with .html, or guys, you can save the file with .html. Okay, .html or HTML. You may ask, sir, when to use which one? When to use which one? Let's say, guys, you're developing one web page, and that web page you want to open on only Windows operating system, then you can save the file with a 3-digit HTML. But whatever the web page that you prepared, that page has to be opened on any operating system like Mac, Solaris, BSD, any operating system. Then you have to save the file with the .html. I'll recommend you to save the file with .html because if you are developing now, so the user can access your page from different operating system, right? So you have to use .html extension only instead of .html. Okay, I think this is also makes sense, everyone. Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. I think guys, yeah, we are good to start the first program today. So guys, first, what do you do now? Create a folder, guys. Wherever you want, yeah, you can create a folder. So I'll be creating a folder. The folder name is something, HTML apps. This is step number 1. Okay. I created a folder on some UI batch 19 inside HTML apps folder. So first you can create a folder. Okay, this is the first step you have to do. Guys, if anyone want to do along with me, you can please start. Otherwise, after session, yeah, you can just crash and wait because next to 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be discussing about Visual Studio Code. A lot of things that you learn about Visual Studio Code, okay? So I'll be showing you guys how to use Visual Studio Code next 10 minutes. So the first step is you have to create a folder. Now, I hope you already installed Visual Studio Code. Just double click on it. Now, whatever the folder guys that you created, that you have to open it. Okay, whatever the folder just now you created, right? That folder you can open it. But guys, if you don't like this theme, okay, I'm sure you can like this theme, but if you really don't want to use these themes, yeah, you have a settings button on left. See, guys, you have a settings button on bottom left. Click on that. Click on that, and you can see some themes. Okay, and you can see color theme. Okay, and there, guys, you can select what theme you want to use it. Okay, so I'll be using the dark Visual Studio. Okay, I think still it is selecting same. No, but I need kind of white. Let me select color theme. Maybe I select something, no, light. Yeah, guys, I'll selected the light theme. Your choice, guys. Okay, which one you want to select, you can. Okay, so that is how to change the theme. And the next one is, guys, I just now explain you, right? You have to open that folder. Go to the file, and you have an option folder, open folder. Okay, go to file, you have an option open folder. Okay, just click on that, and just now you created a one folder. Now open it, guys. Just select that. No matter wherever you create, just select that folder. Okay, now guys, a Visual Studio Code is open. A Visual Studio Code is open. Okay, in my folder. See, this is my folder. Okay, right now, guys, there are two plus symbols you can see, right? First plus symbol is for creating file. Second plus symbol is for folder. Okay, I don't need any folder now because already I'm in a HTML app folder. So I'll click on the first plus symbol to create a file, guys. Are you following, guys, or am I going fast?
Yes, sir. It's
Follow?
completely fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, because it's all about you have to try once because every day we do now, so you won't forget. Okay, only one time you have to try it. So let me click on first plus symbol. Now here, guys, you have to give a file name. Right, so generally you'll start some file name demo1 or app1, right? So I'll be start the same name demo1. Okay, now as I just now explained, the extension should be .html. The extension should be, guys, .html. Extension should be .html. Okay, if I hit on enter, okay, if I hit on enter, guys, now you have to see on bottom right, guys, bottom right. Are able to see, guys, bottom right, a HTML is selected, language mode. Are able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now I'll show you one more thing. Now, if you create a file with a .java, guys, I was showing you. Okay, if you save a file with a .java, hit enter. Yeah, anyhow, guys, it'll asking you some extension. Okay, but yeah, you can also install maybe later. But can you see here Java language is selected? Okay, so what I want to highlight, guys, in Visual Studio Code, you can write any programming language source code, right? Now, if I save the file with the .html, you can see .html is selected. You know the meaning of this selection language, guys? You know the meaning? The meaning is it will auto-generate the code for you, guys. Okay, if the language is selected, it will auto-generate the code for you. What is auto-generated? I'll show you guys now. But before that, I want to disable my Copilot because if I start type one line, okay, my Copilot is enabled here. If I start type one line, it will write the entire code for me. Okay, so I should not go with this Copilot now. Let me disable it. So yeah, guys, you can see from left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one you can see extensions. Fifth one you can see some extension, right? If you click on extension, guys, extension is nothing but plugin. Extension is nothing but plugin. Maybe in a simple terminology, if you have a desktop, okay, if you have a laptop or a desktop, you can extend your laptop with a projector, right? And you can extend your laptop with a printer or scanner or speaker, right? Nothing but you can add some extra things to your laptop, right? The laptop is there, but you can add some extra things also to your laptop. That's kind of extension, general terminology. Similarly, okay, the extension nothing but plugins, guys. Now I told you, Copilot is already there. So it not allowed to me to write a single line. It will write automatic code for me if I give some instruction. And you remember in induction also I explained, I'll be taking one workshop, how to use a Copilot. Also, it's mandatory nowadays. This Copilot should be there in your resume because nowadays your resumes are filtered by AI tools, guys. No one recruiter sitting on your resume and checking whether no your resume is matching with their job description or not. The AI tool itself is reading your resume and telling to your recruiter that your resume is sufficient or not. So make sure that this Copilot should be there. I'll be taking workshop also, no worry, okay? But let me disable it, guys. So let's click on this. Yeah, see, it's already installed. Let me uninstall it, or you can click on disable also. Yeah, there's a chart also. Okay, I think it's also disabled by default. Okay. So yeah, because if I start writing, it not allow me to write any single line of code. Okay. Yeah. Git, yeah, you can keep it as it is. Okay. This is GitHub. I mean, hey, don't think it's a Git. It's a Copilot. A Copilot is a product from GitHub. Okay. A GitHub file is a one product from the GitHub guys, Copilot. Okay. So maybe I'll discuss this on the workshop, not now. Okay. So guys, now I don't have a Copilot. Now I'm happily read the code. Okay. So guys, if you see now, HTML is selected. Now if you click on this icon, guys, okay, if you click on this icon, it will show you the list of languages supported by Visual Studio Code. See, Java, okay, Groovy, right? C, C++. So if you click on that link, it will show you guys what language are supported by Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's forget about it. Now let's get into our code, guys. I just now explained the structure. As per the structure, what do you need to write? First line.
Doc type.
Dot type HTML.
But yeah, my suggestion is, guys, don't type entirely because Visual Studio give some intelligence to you. Intelligence in the sense, just type DOC. Okay, just type DOC, only DOC, and hit enter, guys. That's it. See, automatically some code is generated. See, automatically some code is generated. Okay, some basic code is generated to you, right? So see, the first line is HTML is open. Line number 10, HTML is closed. And the first head is open, head is closed, body open, body closed. And I explained it, you'll be using meta and title and as well.
Sir, we
Meta will
can
be
use the
deleting.
exclamation also.
Yeah, you can use exclamatory also. This way, right? You're telling. But at exclamatory and hit enter also, you'll get the same code. Same code. If you type DOC, okay. If you type
Okay.
DOC or if you type exclamatory also, but there's a difference, man. All right, there's a difference. If you type DOC and hit enter, you only get the doc type. Okay, that's what I'm about to explain. Okay, if you type just DOC, you only get the doc type. If you type just a slash, I mean exclamatory, if you just type exclamatory and hit enter, you'll get the doc type also. This line number 1C. So I suggest to use exclamatory and hit enter. You'll get the automated code, guys. Okay, so don't think that, sir, can I write this code from scratch? Why? Why you need to write the code from scratch? Right? How to use the intelligence, right? So yeah, this is actually, a demand in the market now. I mean, using intelligence. So writing the manual code will not survive you guys in IT. Okay, let's remove the meta. Okay, because I'll be discussing that is later. Now, guys, in between title, okay, I'll be using something, title something, a first page. This is my first page. Okay, I'll be writing something, a first page, guys. Okay, right. So I think this is everyone clear. Everyone, I believe everyone so far. So guys,
Yes,
first
sir.
line is doc type, and yeah, this is optional, guys. Language is English. You may write, you may delete. You can keep it also, no issue. Yeah, this is head and body. Now, if I write anything in head, is it visible on the document?
No.
Correct?
Header file is not visible,
No.
sir. Only body.
Right. Now, but I want to display a message. Hello, students. I want to display a message something. Hello, student. Then you have to write. Inside the guys body tag only. So this hello students will be displayed in a body tag. Okay, body tag. But sir, I want to display this hello students. Sir, I want to display this hello students, like how this Sachin Tendulkar was displaying. Or you can see the login, right? A big font. Hey guys, you can see that login is a big font. And this login processing now uses our domain is, some lower font, right? Hey guys,
H1.
this is a big font and this is very
H1
small
tag.
font, right? Yeah. If I want to print that
tag.
hello students, if I want to print that hello student in a big font, what you need to do is that tag guys,
Heading
you
it.
have to write, yeah, less than
Heading
H1, yeah, less
H1
than
tag.
H1 and in between it. Guys, I'll suggest you don't do this stupid code. Okay. Always use intelligence. Always, use intelligence. Intelligence in the sense, hey, for some reason, Copilot was not disabled. Maybe how to uninstall properly. Okay, that maybe I'll discuss later. So guys, what you need to do is, as to use intelligence, yeah, to use intelligence, just type H1. Guys, just type H1 and hit enter. Automatically tag gets open, automatically tag gets closed. You need not to open and close it. Now in between, whatever you want to write, guys, you can write it. That's it. Okay. This is opening tag and this is a closing tag, and you written something, hello students. Guys, one more thing. Are able to see a black color bubble beside the file name? Black bubble. Are able to see?
Yes, sir.
That black color bubble you can see now, right side to the, right side to the file name. That tells that your file is unsaved. Your file is unsaved. You're writing something, but it is unsaved. If you want to save, guys, shortcut it, Control S. Yeah, just type Control S. Yeah, the file gets saved. Guys, this is something, how to create a file and how to use the intelligence. How to create a file, how to use the intelligence. And don't ask me to repeat this because you have to watch the video and you have to repeat this everything in your machine. Okay, please don't ask me to repeat everything from scratch. Okay, so guys, now I'll show you, sir, how to see the output of this code. How do I see the output of the code? Yeah, for that purpose, guys, in menu bar, okay, file, edit, selection, view, right? There you have an option run. Okay, there you have an option run. And in run, you have two options, guys. One is start debugging, second is run without debugging. So actually, I'll be discussing debugging also, maybe not now. In JavaScript, I'll be discussing about debugging. Actually, debugging generally we use to debug the issues, guys. Okay, I'll explain you that is in JavaScript. That's not required to you now. So generally, a debugging refers to see the execution of source code line by line. To see the execution of source code line by line. That's called as debugging, but I'll not discussing about debugging now. In JavaScript, I'll be briefing about it, but now just click on run without debugging. Now guys, as soon as you click on run without debugging, I told you yesterday, the HTML programs outputs that you can see on the browsers. So now guys, as soon as you click on run without debugging, you can see in which browser you want to see the output. In which browser? Edge
Chrome.
or Chrome? Yes.
Chrome, sir.
I told you use of Chrome. Just click on the Chrome. And guys, now you can see the output of your first program, guys. See, you can see the output of your first program. And here, this is your title. Okay. This is your title. Okay. This is your title. And guys, whatever now you are seeing this is right. This is entirely, guys, we have to call it as document. No. We have to call it as this is document, guys. You should use the word document. So now you return this everything inside the body, right? So whatever you guys you'll write in body tag, okay, whatever you write in body tag, and that will be visible on the document. Nothing but your hello students is visible on the document. And you remember you use a H1 tag to display this data, in a big font. Okay. So I think everyone clear on this, like how to see the output. And also I want to show you one more interesting thing. Guys, when you click on, I will not close the browser. When you click on run without debugger, and if you select Chrome or Edge, one window, guys, you can see open here. One window on your on your Visual Studio Code. This window, and in this window, some buttons are there. Yeah, you should know this, guys. What is the purpose of this? All the buttons. You should know this. At least the two buttons. Guys, the second button is for stop running your code. Okay, stop running your code. Stop running your code. Stop running your output. Okay, guys, as soon as you click on this icon, okay, so your Chrome will be closed, guys. Your Chrome will be closed. Automatically, your Chrome will be closed. So when you click on that button, your Chrome will be closed permanently. Okay. So this is something to stop running your output button. Okay. You can stop your running your output code. And the next one, you can see some, refresh, right? Yeah. So guys, this refresh in the sense, this refresh button, if you do any changes here, okay, if you do any changes in your code, and if you want to reflect them on the browser immediately, okay, if you added some changes and the changes immediately you want to reflect on the browser, then guys you have to click on the refresh button, or I can say reload button. Okay, this is one extra button that you need to do it. Let's click on clear drawings. Now guys, what I'll be doing, I'll be writing good morning. Yeah, I'll be writing something good evening. I'll be writing good evening, but I want to display this good evening with a less font compared to H1. With a less font compared to H1. Then guys, you'll be using a one more tag called something H2. Hey guys, don't get confused. H2 gives a less font compared to H1. That's it. Now you added your code now. As soon as you added your code, you can see the bubble. To remove the bubble, to tell that the file is saved, then do Control S, guys. Now your file gets saved. That doesn't mean that. That doesn't mean that, guys. You can see the output here. Okay. You have to click on your refresh button. Okay. Your refresh button or reload button. Guys, now you can see the output. Yeah, but even I won't recommend you to use this refresh or reload button. There is an option called autosave. There is an option called autosave. Okay. As soon as you change the file, guys, if you do just Control S, okay, that automatically, guys, you can see the output here. That's also I'll discuss maybe a little bit later, but let's get into this refresh
Just
button
a
now.
small doubt regarding this H1 and H2. Sir, can I ask? Or
Go
I
ahead, go ahead.
can ask
No,
another
go
question.
ahead. No, go ahead.
Sir, if we want to write a paragraph,
Hmm?
so we have to write whole the words in H1 or whole the words in H2 for like
I understood.
bigger than good evening.
Sorry to stop. Sorry to stop. Actually, I was discussing about IDE only today.
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, how we use Visual Studio Code, how many total ways. The tags and all, I'll be starting from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
I'm sure, okay, you'll get more clarity on it. I was not started about the tags. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Sure, sir. Thank you.
there are, three different approaches are there, buddy. One is you can click on this reload and you can see the fresh output. This is approach one. And approach two is there's a concept called autosave. Okay. And there's a one more approach is there, live server is also there. That everything I'll be discussing, no worry. First, we'll doing manual refresh. Okay. This is something, we'll be doing manual, refresh to see the fresh output of the code. And also we can apply autosave. Also we can see the code on live server. I'll be discussing this too, maybe not today, because today let me explain you, the other things as well. So I'll be planning this autosave and live server maybe a little bit, next sessions, not now. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, this is about, guys, how to see the output. And also, sometimes, sir, I want to see output and code side by side. Sir, I want to see the code and output side by side. Yes. You just need to use some Windows shortcut. I'll tell you now some Windows shortcut. You can try right away. Okay. Now we are in Visual Studio Code, right? Now we are in Visual Studio Code, right? Hold your Windows key, Windows key, start key, guys. Windows key, and click on left tab, guys. Left arrow. You have 4 arrows right in your keyboard. Just click on left arrow. So it will be redirected to your left side, guys, automatically. Off, exactly off. Exactly off. Okay. Next right side, I think you are, expecting to display the browser, right? Yeah. Now, whatever the browser, we have seen the output, right? This is a browser output, right? Now, on the browser, okay, on the browser, again, hold your Windows key and click on right arrow, guys. See, exactly off the left side of your, web page is, left side of your off is your Visual Studio Code, right side is your Chrome. Now, if you do changes any here, okay, if you do any changes here, okay, if you do any changes here like this. So I added one tag, right? I added one tag, H3. Welcome to some HTML tutorial I written, right? Now, if I do refresh, will it reflect? Hey, I'm asking.
No, sir, you have to update.
You have to say that, sir, this bubble has to go on.
Yes, sir,
Right?
update.
Just you do Control S. Okay. Now do refresh. Guys, you can see, the output is now. Okay. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 are some heading tags. Yeah, I'll be discussing tomorrow, no worry. But yeah, this is something, guys, how to write your code and how to run your code. Now you have this button, right? Square button. If you click on it, yeah, the browser will automatically close, guys. See, the browser gets automatically closed. Okay, now you are in a web browser only. Okay. I believe everyone clear on this, how to run the code. Guys, if you are okay so far, whatever I discussed, then I'll move forward.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Guys,
Yes,
if
sir.
you really want to try it, okay, if you really want to try, just watch the video and do it in your machine. Okay, if any issues, yeah, you can feel free to stop me in the beginning of session. Yeah, I can assist you. I can definitely assist you if anyone having an issue. Okay. Okay, sir, where you kept breakpoint? No, I did not make any breakpoint, Hemanand, since I was not discussing about anything debugging. So that will be part of JavaScript. There I'll make some breakpoints, and I'll show you the line by line execution. So there is no breakpoints concept that I have explained so far. Okay. Right. So guys, let me run the code again. Go to the menu bar, select run without debugging. Yeah, already I selected Chrome, so you can see the output on the Chrome. Now guys, let me ask you a few things here. Now you are able to see the output, right? In the output, what is the background color?
White.
White, sir.
White.
White.
What is the text color?
Black.
Black.
Right. Sir, I want to change it. Okay, I want to change the text color. Okay, I want to change the text color. Then line number 6. Guys, line
Inside
number
box.
6. Yeah, you have a body now.
Because you have to
I
display.
told you, yeah, I told you body nothing but document. So if you want to change the document text color, then in body tag, you have an attribute called text. Okay, in body tag, you have an attribute called text. And there, guys, you can write your favorite color. Okay, I think my Copilot still it is not uninstalled. I'll uninstall permanently, guys, because it will show the always, the intelligence code for me. Yeah, guys, text is equal to just you can type blue. Okay, just you can type blue. Now, as soon as you write text equal to blue and just refresh it, guys, you can see the text in blue color. Right, whatever the color, guys, you want it, yeah, you can use it, guys. See, I'll be using green now. Okay, like that, guys, you can change it. Okay. Sir, I want to change in white color. Yes, you can change in white color also, but if you refresh, guys, you cannot see anything here. Now your data is there.
Then we have to change background
Yeah,
color,
you
sir.
have to data. Yes, yes. I'm talking about that one only now. Guys, now you have a body with some text, but the text color is white. Sir, can you change the background? Yes. If you want to change the background, guys, you have to use a property called BG color. Okay. And guys, which background color you require, that you can mention it. Okay. I'll be using green. Yeah, guys, BG color, sir, should I write as it is? Yes. BG color. You should not change anything. As it is, you have to write it in lowercase. Now refresh it. Guys, you can see now. Okay. So your text color is white. Okay. And your background color is green. Guys, I think everyone clear how to change body text color, how to change body background color.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
If, background color, background, we can set background image.
Yeah, I was not started that. I'm about to start, but I was just asking your acknowledgement up to here clear.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Present
Yes.
whatever we're doing in this one, we can do in CSS.
Yes, whatever you do with the HTML, guys, it's about coloring, right? Coloring, styling, everything you can do by
I
CSS.
think CSS is used for only designing.
No. With CSS also you can do this. Okay.
Okay.
Right. You can also do this. That's fine. Okay, I think up to here clear everyone, but here itself I want to discuss something. How many color names you can remember? Hardly. Hardly. How many color names you can remember?
Maybe 15.
7.
Maybe 10 or 15, right?
20.
Not more than that, correct? The names. But
Mostly 7, sir.
yeah, but see, if you open a Flipkart, okay, if you open a Flipkart or Amazon Snapdeal, you can see guys multiple colors. Even you cannot give a name to that color, right? Even you cannot give a name. Maybe I can show you. See, uh, maybe I can show you this mobiles and tablets. If I go, yeah, guys, you can see this color. You cannot give a name, right? Right? You cannot give a name for this. You can give this color name, thick blue, right? It's not a blue again. It's a thick blue. Again, see, you cannot give the name for this color. But sir, how do I use this color, sir? Using HTML, how do I use this color? As it is, how do I use it?
We need
That's where, guys. Wait. That's where there's a website is there. There's a website is there. The website is HTML color codes, guys. There's a website is there. The website is HTML color codes. So if you get into this website, guys, okay, almost 65,000, not, yeah, I think not 65, maybe I remember 255 types of colors, guys, you can use it. Not 250, sorry. 65,535 colors, guys, you can use it. 65,535 colors, you can use it. But every color has a code. Every color has a code. Now I'll show you guys how to decode that colors. How to decode the colors. Okay. So guys, I was discussing about color coding. Okay, I'll be discussing about color coding because we cannot remember all the color codes, right? I mean color names, right? Some colors have some code. I'll show you how to decode the color. So your color code starts with hash. Okay. And the first 2 digits for red color, next 2 digits for green, next 2 digits for blue, guys. No space. I was intentionally writing, but there is no space in general. Totally 6 digits you have to give beside the hash. And in the world, guys, all the colors are combination of only 3 colors only. Red, green, blue. All the 65,535 colors are combination of red, green, blue only. Okay. Now I'll show you the first color, guys. I'll show you the first color. If I write hash, sorry, one more thing I forgot. Guys, totally 6 digits, now. You have to give the color in 6 digits. And the 6 digits, guys, you should give in hexadecimal format only. Yeah, I should give, in hexadecimal form. I'm sure you already come across it. What is hexadecimal format? So hexadecimal is started with 0, 1, 2, and it ends with 9. After 9, you have a B, C, and D, E, and F, guys.
F.
So, right. So, guys, if you see, your hexadecimal number starts with 0 and ends with F. Okay, 0 and F. 0 and F. Okay. So this format only, guys, you have to give it. 6-digit format you have to give it. 6 digits nothing but this one, guys. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Let me explain you guys example 1 now. Okay. Example 1. Okay. If I write hash, okay, 0, 0, FF and 0, 0. You know the meaning of this, guys? Red, you are giving 0, 0 means no red color. Next, green, last digit you are giving, right? It's a thick red, guys. Thick red. Again, blues you given 0, right? No blue, nothing but. If you apply this, guys, if you apply this, you can see the red color. You can see the upper right. You can see the red color. I'll quickly show you this. Yes, I'll quickly show you this. Okay. Now, wherever we will be using the code, right? Green. Remove that green. Okay. Remove that green. Just write the code, guys. Yeah, you may use lower or upper, guys. That's your choice. Okay. That's your choice. That will not affect. You can write lower Fs or ABCDF, or you can write upper also. Now, let me refresh it. I think what's happening. One second, guys. I think there is a difference. Sorry, my bad. I think this is green now. Sorry, guys. My bad.
Green.
I think I given a wrong assumption. One second. Let me go back.
Red
Hey.
and blue are
Yeah. My bad, guys. I think I forgot to give the wrong name. So this is something green. Okay. Similarly, guys, you may guess this. If I write FF00, tell me which color you are feeling.
red.
Red, sir, red.
Thick red.
Thick red. You are right. Absolutely correct. Now, if I write FF at the last, then
Blue, sir. blue.
La-
0,
dark
0, F
blue.
of blue, sir. Thick blue.
Thick
Right.
blue.
You can see the thick blue. You are absolutely correct. Refresh it. You can see thick blue. And sir, can I use combination? Yes. Guys, tell me what is this combination?
Sir, green and blue, sir.
Correct, correct. Guys, if I use green and blue, you'll get something, sky blue. Okay.
Combination. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
combination. Right. And yeah, can anyone guess this combination? Red and blue.
Yes, sir. Red and blue.
Pink, I was
Pink,
thinking. Yes,
violet.
pink,
Yes,
guys.
pink.
Okay. Pink. Okay. Yeah. And you might guess this one also. Red and green. I think it's yellow, guys. It's yellow, red and green combination. Now, can anyone guess this color, guys?
No
Black,
color
sir.
will. No, white,
Black.
sir. White.
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 No,
Black, sir.
no,
Black.
yes,
Black.
yes.
Black.
Right. Guys, no color means just close your eyes. It's a black color,
Black.
no. Yeah,
Sir.
no color, no color. Now, if I fill all the, X, guys, can you guess?
White.
White.
Right. Okay, so if you write, guys, hash and all six, yes, then yeah, guys, it will be, your white, guys. See, white text color, white BG color. Hey, you may rename this also, and you can give some color code also. So, guys, this is actually I want to explain about something. Your color codes. I believe the color codes also clear everyone.
Sir, only.
Yes, sir.
And also, I'll show you. Wait. I'll show you how to pick a color from this website. See. Now let me. Guys, here you can see some scroller is there, right? You can select, and on the top you can see some color is there now. So you can highlight which color you require, thick or light, which color you require. Okay, for your background. Okay, which color you require. So select that color. As soon as you select, guys, one code is generated. See here. So just what you need to do is just copy that code. Okay, copy that code, and yeah, use it, guys. That's it. Use it and just refresh on the browser. You can see whatever the color that you selected. I hope this is makes sense, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can
Yes,
we
sir.
give color codes to text? Yes, you can give. Oh, yeah, you can give the color code to any name. See, the color coding is nothing but it's a replacement of color names. The replacement of color names. Wherever color name you want to make it as a code, you can use it. But this way, guys, you can use a code. And sometimes, guys, maybe I'll go with this way. Yeah, maybe I'll go with this way. Hey, I don't know why it is displaying. Let's get into this. 1 second. Yeah. So guys, if you see this Sachin image, right? If you see this Sachin image, sir, I want to make a background with my Sachin image. Is it possible? Yes. Guys, that's possible. Okay. Maybe I'll take this as a large image. I need some large image. 1 second, guys. Or let me take some cool wallpaper quickly. Yeah. So let's say, guys, I need this, the background now. Okay. I need this, as a background. Two ways, guys, you can do it. One is you can download it, and from there itself you can access it. Or through online also, guys, you can access it. So if you want to access it through online, guys, okay, through online. So get into that respective website first of all. Okay, get into that specific website, guys. Specific website like this. 1 second. Yeah, let's get into the particular website. Okay, and just what you need to do is right click. You have your option, guys. You have your option. Copy image link. See, sometimes you can say copy image link, or sometimes you can say copy image address, but just copy it, copy image link. Now go to your code, Guys, this BG color for color now. Just remove it, and just write it something, background. Okay. And in background equal to this, you can just paste the link that you copied it. Guys, just you need to change B instead of BG color, you have to use background. Okay. The background will replace a color with, image, guys. Now refresh it, guys. You can see your output now. Okay. This is your text and this is your background. Guys, I'll be using a big image so that, it will be full fit to my desktop. If you take smaller image, it will be repeated multiple times, guys. Okay. So this is the first way. This is the first way, sir, but I want to use one offline image. How should I use it? Yeah. Guys, if you want to use any offline image, first, what you need to do is, first, what you need to do is download it into your machine like this, guys. Maybe I do right click. Hey, it's not allowing me to right click. Maybe I'll go back. I'll go back to some other website. Yeah. So what do you need to do is here? Yeah, this is the image. Let's say, guys, yeah, this is the image. If you want to make as a background, first right click, you have a direct tap, is save. Or you can download it also. And your laptop, if you have any images are there, you can use it. Click on save image. And guys, you can save anyway, but yeah, for a better accessibility, I'll be saving in my batch and in my folder, guys. See, I created a folder, HTML apps. Inside the folder, I was saving it. But yeah, guys, I'll be naming this file as, some forest. I'll be renaming this file with something, forest. Okay. Now, this is a local image, right? For a local image, yeah, you need not to do everything, right? This is online image, right? Guys, if it is a local image, just type that file name, it automatically comes. Guys, it automatically coming because I saved this file I saved this image into my current folder. So it's directly, if you type first letter, it automatically picks. It automatically picks. If you type first letter F. Now guys, see, yeah, if you see my output and see the image is repeated, the reason is it's a very small image maybe. That's what it is repeated. Guys, I think I'm done. So today, I have planned 3 concepts. I mean, this all, trial and run you have to do. There is no much notes is required for today's session. It's all about trial and run. I've explained structure of HTML today, right? And then I've shown you first application Visual Studio Code, how to do it. And then I've shown you guys working background colors and color codes. And guys, the images, how to use the background colors and images, guys. So that's all about today. Just you need to do trial and run. Okay. And guys, the main topics will start from tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes.
Just a doubt, sir. If we want to write, if we want to project our own image, what should we do, sir?
Okay. See your image in the sense, this is
Yes,
a folder, no?
yes, sir.
In this folder, move your image. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's say your image name is Minesh. Okay.
Sir.
Minesh.jpg something.
Yes,
When
sir.
a code background equal to just type first letter because the file is already there now. If it is
Okay,
first
sir.
letter, it automatically picks here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to give my name and with the file name.
Correct.
That's all.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Good night, sir.
Right, that's all today. Yeah, just give it trial and run. If you have any issues, I can stop me at the beginning of session, please. So I'll connect you one-to-one and we'll sort out the issues. Because if you ask me about Visual Studio Code queries after 2 to 3 days, I won't reply. Okay, because you have to use it today. If any issues, I'll connect you tomorrow. Okay. Bye, guys. Good night.
Good night, sir.